Hey guys, I got this old AC stick welder that I don't use because I now have a much better MIG welder, or MIG welder, however you want to pronounce it. It works much better. Look, here it is. However, instead of letting my old one go to waste, in this video I'm going to take it apart and salvage as many parts as possible. Okay guys, this is the overall pile of the parts that we've salvaged. Here we have the main component, the variable transformer. Here we have the wiring coming out of the primary coil. And then here we have the wiring coming out of the secondary coil. The transformer is variable as the position of the metal plate in between the primary and secondary coils determines the value of the current and voltage. Here we simply have a mains plug and lead. This is useful wiring. I'm pretty sure it's 8 gauge wiring, and it's helpful because it can withstand high current. This is a 220 volt LED light, and this is a 230 volt AC fan, as you can see here, which is useful as well. I also ended up with some loose wiring, which seems pretty useless but could come in use later. You sort of got to remember that the welder is basically the transformer with some other bits and pieces on it. But that doesn't matter because I have lots of future videos involving the transformer, so stay tuned. By the way, while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.